sump pump is broken. The basement pump. So I tried to replace it with a cheaper one as quick as I can, because thunderstorms coming in couple hours from now. So there was flooding here in the basement yesterday. So I tried to replace the new one and I got the connection here with the PVC pipe here. And now I'm gonna put the chick bulbs. Chick bulbs is yeah, they don't have chick bulb for the old one, the old owner here. Chick bulb is the purpose of the chick bulb is to make sure the water from outside is not coming back. It's not coming back inside. So let me see how it's gonna work. So now I fill up water there to check the pump. It's time to check now. Let's see how it works. Okay, it's working. That's where it got me. Yeah. So that's how it works. Next time if you have problem with the sump pump in your basement, it's broken, easy fix. That pump, that's cheap pump. So I don't need a bigger horsepower here like this one, because I only got little water coming in here. That's $100 plus $15 with the chick bulbs. That's all you spend. Because if you call a plumber here, a professional plumber here, that's gonna cost you $1,000, bro. You have to save your money, bro, for the bike parts. Cheers for that. Woo. All right, boys. Happy? All right, guys. That's how you change your sump pump.